Okay, so here we are, Platinum Quartz Mazda 2 in this particular model, by the way. So hopefully I'll go around all the car, and hopefully you can see for yourself the different shades. It's a metallic colour, so there's a very kind of shiny sheen to this car, and with the silver alloys in this particular example, I believe it really does set it off. This example here has the privacy glass too, so again I believe this is a really stunning example. Hopefully you agree. When you zoom in, when you get a certain light in it, it's a bit cloudy here this morning, you do get that really kind of metallic sheen on this car. I believe it really does kind of bring it to life as such. I'm not sure if you can really gauge it on this video here, but as you get closer to the bodywork itself, as I say, when especially a bit of wet on there as well, it does actually emphasize it. But hopefully you can see from here that it really is a stunning color. So a great choice if you were looking at having something different on your Mazda. Platinum Quartz is, as I say, it's our latest, newest colour, pretty much, and this is our first one we've actually seen in the flesh. If you check the Mazda Guru's video, you will see Mazda Helen, sent out an MX-5 just a week or two ago, and I believe that's the first time I saw it, and it was on a MX-5, and it looks absolutely stunning. So hopefully you can agree with me, and this colour really just set it off. And thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you soon.